Maybe I should start with the student coaches themselves. I know what it feels to have the president amongst us. Many years ago, I attended a coaching course back home. There were some doubts whether this is the real thing or is one of those workshops. But the changing moment was when Dr. Danny Jordan arrived personally to come and shake our hands, all of us. Then I could feel I am a South African. I am a member of the football fraternity. So, President, I appreciate your coming here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Number two, you have one of the best in Africa. There he is, next to the President. One of the learned TDs. I'm glad that he was called the library by one of the coach educators. He is exactly that. When you come to Eswatini for a coaching course, you know things are organized. He will be there personally to ensure that his people get the best. He does not believe in small things. There was a time between 2016 and maybe 2020, when you look at the map of capacity building or coaching courses in Africa, Eswatini was leading, and all because of this man. Please give him a round of applause. In conclusion, President, FIFA asked a question and even followed it up through what is called the ecosystem reports that each and every member association has. The question is, in the history of the World Cup, only 8 nations won the World Cup. And the question is, where are the rest? And in answering this question, FIFA made a practical study in terms of starting conditions in each and every MA to find out what is happening there. And they came up with ecosystem reports. And the response to that report is called the TDS. And what we are observing here today is part of responding to the findings in the ecosystem reports, that for you to have players of high quality, you must first have coaches of high quality. That's why you are here. But further than that, who will train the coaches? It is the coach educators. So what I am here for is a coaching education program specifically meant to improve the quality of coach educators who will go further and improve the quality of coaching, and the coaches will go and improve the quality of the players. And at the end of it all, we expect to see it on the pitch where it matters most. We can be like this, but the pitch is the ultimate. The question is, what kind of a player are you going to produce for this nation? GS, it will not be correct, or it will not be a complete story if I don't mention you in particular. When I was the TD in an acting capacity for 3 years at SAFA, I met him several times on Zoom. Some guys would even say, Ope O Frederick, because if he does not speak, that Zoom is not complete. Thank you very much.